Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make art for Displate with Stable Diffusion. And we're gonna do this online for free, okay? Let me show you what I've already created. Look at this. This is in Photoshop right now. So all you wanna do is go to StableDiffusionWeb.com. This is the URL. Now, you can choose a style if you want, okay? Can go ahead and choose that. It's perfectly up to you. Now here you need to describe anything in your mind you would like to create. Let's do a lion cub, okay? I'll do a lion cub and then I will add a ratio. I want the ratio to be 1.4 to 1, okay? Now go ahead and click on generate. And Stable Diffusion will do this for you in a matter of a few seconds. Okay, perfect. We have two images. I like this one right here. So just go ahead and download this. And don't worry, I'll show you how to even get rid of the watermark, as you can see right here. Don't have a watermark. The image has been downloaded. Now all you need to do is come here, click on File on Photoshop or any of your image editing softwares. You can also do this on Canva. Come click on New. Now, width, set it to 2900 pixels. Height 4060 pixels. Those are the requirements on display. Okay. Resolution, I like to put about 72. Color mode needs to be RGB color. It's very important. And then I'll show you what to do when exporting because it needs to be in a JPEG, PNG, and WebP or AVI format. So I'll show you how to do that later. So I'll go ahead and create a new file. Now, I come take this image, right? Paste it here. Then all you need to do is resize it. Go ahead and resize it. As you can see, it is maintaining the quality. So I'll go ahead and you see that watermark right here. I'll get rid of it by just bringing it up a little bit more here and then press OK. There we go. We have the image. The quality is really good. All you need to do now to export is click on File. Click on this option that says Save As. Okay. Choose the format to be PNG. We can go ahead and name this Lion Cubs. Okay. Go ahead and save this. Compression will do its smallest because these images need to be maximum of 30 Mbps. So if you want to go ahead and upload them, all you need to do is come click here and then click on upload your artwork. Okay. So right here you can see this is my profile. All you need to do is click on upload artwork and then get your image. So the image is saving up right now. And then you just need to either drag and drop or browse. Okay. So it's almost done saving. And I'll show you that it actually works because I'll go ahead and drag and drop this right here and you'll see green check marks for everything. Really that easy and simple, guys.